For basic arithmetic operations involving numbers in standard form, we can look at a few examples here. Calculate the value of each of the following operations. State your answer in standard form. So for question A, you can see that this number is in standard form and it is an addition question. So for the first step, you can see that the index is the same. So for the first step, I can do a factorize. So I factorize it, meaning that I take out 10 to the power of 3. So equals to, take out 10 to the power of 3, and the remaining is 1.07 plus 7.8. And you can always check back, meaning that you expand it out. So 1.07, you times 10 to the power of 3, you'll get it. And 7.8 times 10 to the power of 3, and you'll get this. So this is correct. And then you do a simplification, meaning that you add it together. This is equals to 8.87 times 10 to the power of 3. And now the answer is in standard form. Standard form meaning that your this number have to be between 1 to 10 and less than 10. Okay. So for question B, this is a subtraction of numbers in standard form, but the index is different. So in order to factorize it, I need to change the index to become the same index. So either I change this or I change this to power of 10 to the power of 3. So I change this to 10 to the power of 3. I need to multiply with 10. And you can see, so the front part, I didn't change anything, so I copy it down, minus. So in order to multiply with 10, I need to change the 7.8 to become 0.78. So 0.78 multiplies with 10, it will be equals to 7.8. And in here, I do a simplification. So 10 times 10 to the power of 2, I get 10 to the power of 3. And now I have the same index, so I can factorize it. So I take out the 10 to the power of 3. I take out 10 to the power of 3, and the remaining is 5.7 minus 0.78. And this is equals to 4.92. So I can just do a simple subtraction. So 4.92 times 10 to the power of 3. So for addition and subtraction of numbers in standard form, you can first convert the index. First convert the index if they are different index. So you can factorize it. So like this. When the index is the same, then you can factorize it. And following that, you can do an addition or subtraction to get the answer. For multiplication and division, you can use the lot of indices to solve it. So for question A, first you need to group the numbers together. And you group the numbers together, meaning that is this number, 1.7 times 7.8. And for multiplications of index number with the same base, you can actually add up their power. So 3 plus 5. And next, you can multiply it. So this is equals to 13.27 times. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So 10 to the power of 8. And then you have to state your answer in standard form. So I need to change this. This is not standard. Standard form have to in between 1 to less than 10. So I need to change it to standard form, means that I need to move the decimals one place. So it will be equals to 1.326 times 10. So if 1.326 times 10, it will be equals to 13. So you can check back. And this is equals to 1.326 times 10 to the power of, this is 10 to the power of 1. 1 plus 8 is 10 to the power of 9. Okay, for question B, this is a division of numbers in standard form. So the first thing also, first step also the same. You can group the numbers together. So 3.45 divided by 0.05 multiplies with 10 to the power 4. So you do a division. This equals to 69 times this, copy down, 10 to the power 4, and this is not in standard form. You need to convert it. So you need to convert it. The decimal have to put in here 6.9, so that you can get in between 1 to less than 10. So it is equals to 6.9 times 10, which is 69, and times 10 to the power 4. And this is equals to 6.9 times, so this is 10 to the power 1, 1 plus 4. So for multiplication, remember, multiplication of the same base, you can add up their power. 1 plus 4 is 5.